Thriving in English, understanding the phrase. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll delve into the meaning and usage of the word thriving. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its significance but also how to use it correctly in sentences. Thriving is a beautiful term, and we'll explore why. Thriving is an adjective and comes from the verb thrive. To thrive means to grow or develop well, to prosper, or to be successful. When something or someone is described as thriving, it means they're doing very well in their environment or situation. Imagine a plant that's growing vigorously and healthily. It's thriving. 1. The business is thriving under the new management. 2. After moving to the countryside, she felt like she was finally thriving. 3. The city has a thriving art scene. From these examples, you can see that thriving can refer to both living things like humans and plants, or non-living entities like businesses or communities. 1. Flourishing. This is similar to thriving and means to grow or develop in a healthy or vigorous way. 2. Prosperous. Being successful, usually in terms of wealth, but can also mean flourishing or thriving. 3. Burgeoning. Beginning to grow or increase rapidly. Flourishing. These words can sometimes be used interchangeably with thriving, but it's good to know their nuances. Some people might think thriving only relates to financial success or wealth. However, it's broader than that. A person can be thriving emotionally, mentally, and even spiritually. It's about overall well-being and positive growth. We hope you now have a clear understanding of the word thriving and its significance in the English language. Remember, it's not just about wealth or success but about flourishing in any given environment or situation. We encourage you to use it in your daily conversations and observe how it adds depth to your expressions. Until next time, keep thriving in your English journey.